Hi there, Andrew from Pasture Blocks here. In this short tutorial video, we're going to be looking at changing out the logos on your website. And so in your Pasture Blocks site, you have two areas for logos. The first is here at the top in your navigation header area. The second is all the way at the bottom in your footer area. And to change those, we're going to click on Customize at the top of your screen and click on Ministry Info and click on Logos and just click Change Logo. Now your first time here, obviously your logo is not going to be in your media library, so you're going to click on Upload Files and select the appropriate files from your computer. I've already uploaded mine, and mine is 75 pixels high. I recommend cropping your logo to about the same height, otherwise it can get to look funky. And I'm going to select that. I'm going to skip this cropping. I'm going to make sure the full logo is showing. And that should change automatically. And obviously they didn't change at the bottom, so I'm going to select an image again. My logo works on dark backgrounds especially, and so I'm just going to select the same image, and it should update that one as well, and it did. And once I have added my logo, I'm going to click Publish and click that X, and now my Pasture Blog site has brand new logos.